honest, man, like
Oh, oh, can you hear me? Yo, yo, yo.
What's good, bro?
Oh, yo, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you, bro.
Uh, thanks, bro. Everything good? How's the day going?
Cool, man. Cool. Bless God. Cool. How about yours?
Going good, bro. Only one loss this week.
Yeah, I took an L yesterday. Took an L yesterday. Trying to short and short got invalid. But I saw the buys. I mean on Nasdaq. I saw the buys, but it was late, so I just let it slide.
Yo, once you following your markups, bro, that's all that matters. You know what I'm saying? And then you can correct on what you did wrong. You know what I'm saying? You can hear me?
Yeah, bro, I can hear you.
Yeah. I've been trading oil though, so Just took a one hit yesterday with it, but in London I got two wins though. But I was trying to catch like the bigger move in New York, and then it stopped me out.
So, Andre, what are you looking at exactly today?
Signal cracking
Andre,
out, bro. If you're talking, man.
you guys there?
Huh? Yeah,
Can you hear
yeah,
me clearly?
yeah. I can hear you a little better now. Yeah,
Can you guys hear me clearly?
yeah. We can hear you, but it's like you
So, what are you looking
cracking
at on
out.
Nasdaq today? Come back.
Yo, yo, yo.
Andre,
What's going on, bro?
Andre.
What's going on,
I'm good,
Bruce?
bro.
Chilling. That's what I like to hear. That's what I like to hear.
Only took one loss this week.
You said you only took what?
Loss.
One loss? Shit, it's still early in the week, though. We still got time.
Actually, I'm doing good because yesterday I traded London. I
Mm-hmm.
took two wins in London, and then I was trying to catch the bigger move in New York, but it stopped me out. So I was like, you know what, fuck it.
That's not bad.
Sunday.
It's still positive, still profitable.
Yeah, and I got something today too. So it's all
Yeah,
good.
just what I would recommend. Just less is always more. The less trades, the better. Because the less trades you take, the less risk you're putting on your account. You might win more if you take more trades, but you could also lose more. So you just gotta look at both sides. I try to take as little trades as possible. Like if I
I
can,
got you.
I try to take like one trade a day. But I've been thinking I might trade London, start trading London session a little bit. So I might
Yeah,
make it like two trades a day, one per
yeah,
session. It'll help with your discipline too. Because if you're able to
yeah.
take
That's
one
what I've
trade
been
and walk
doing.
away, it'll be good.
That's exactly what I've been doing, bro.
Yeah, it works good that way. If you don't trade one session, then you just took one trade for the day, so it works out.
My whole routine was like, yo, I want to see like what London sessions about, and then I want to see like what New York sessions about, so like I can get used to their activities. You know what I'm saying? Cause I know all the sessions they move different.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Yeah,
Usually I try. I don't trade. I haven't. I probably traded London maybe 2 3 years ago, for like once or twice. But that was before I really understood how what I know now.
yeah,
But nowadays, I haven't traded London, who knows how long, but I just look at it and I use the price action to kind of help me during, what is it? New York session. But I
I
also
got
look, but I want to do my markups and everything. I'm going to kind of show you what I'm looking for since I am going to be trying to trade London soon. I have
you.
this
Yeah,
setup that I've been just watching because, like I said, since I only trade New York session, every single day I trade, I look at the London session. I see everything that happens, and I've been seeing things that have been happening very often. I'll show you in a second.
uh,
Just try to see if anyone else joins real quick before I get right into it.
just been trading oil though.
Oh yeah,
Since this week. Yeah,
you like it?
yeah. Yo, the money flips fast on that
Yeah, I heard.
shit,
I
bro.
don't know. I've seen a couple people before trading oil. Never personally looked at it, but I definitely seen a few people trading oil.
Yeah, bro.
It moves.
Yeah, really moves, bro. It's like Nasdaq and shit.
Mm. I did see a couple people that be trade indexes straight up. Interesting. I have to look at it at some point.
I was the one who posted the loss. I only took one loss in the group chat.
That was you, the one that just
Yeah,
posted it. All right,
yeah,
yeah. I was just looking at it. Let
yeah.
me see. So what's that? That's gold right there. XTI USD. That gold,
No, no,
oil,
that's oil.
oil.
Yeah,
Okay, bet.
crude oil.
All right, I'm about to get right on the Twitter.
Oil about to spike up in a couple weeks though, cause you already know what's going on with Saudi Arabia and the US and everything. So
Yeah,
yeah, shit's about to be crazy in the next couple weeks.
yeah, no kidding. We got elections today.
Yeah, that too.
We gonna see.
To
We
be
gonna
honest,
see.
bro, like everything that's going on, the elections is I think is really gonna determine the market because I don't know if you realize when the I'm a liberal too, you know what I'm saying? But
Mm-hmm.
when the Democrats in power, like shit goes south. But when if the house is split in half, the market may move in a more positive way because if the same persons are in power, the people, the investors, they're gonna be like, yo, like these are the same people, like nothing's gonna change, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So if there's a little change in the house, I guess the market will move more in a more positive way, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, we gonna see. It's the type of thing where only time will tell. But
Yeah.
right now, what I'm looking at, I'm trying to see the price already have a retracement. It looks like it had a. Yeah, it looks like we're in like a trending environment. We had like a 38.20%, 22% rejection, and I drew that from this previous day's low to the previous day's high, and as you can see, price already started pushing from here. So it might be a situation where today could be a trending day where we just end up pushing higher and we don't really get no pullback. But right now, I would ideally want to be bullish, just based off of how price is looking. We got
Yeah.
11,200 up here. 11,200 would be a great target. That might not get hit today, but longer term, 11,200 is definitely possible. We got 11. I think 11,100 would be a better short-term target for a bullish case scenario. But I'm also, we have 900 all the way down here. But we will see. Right now, we did have this rejection off the 30.20%. So me personally, I think this is going to be our low of the day right down here because this is also right at 3:15, 3 a.m. So I personally think this will be our low of the day. And if that is our low of the day, price shouldn't run down here. It shouldn't run this low. And that means I'm just going to be anchoring a fib from this low here, anticipating that this already had its pullback. So we're just probably going to keep trending. And like I said, 11,100 is probably going to be the best short-term target right now. And right now, simply, I'm just waiting for price to stop moving. That's really all I'm doing right now. Because if it just keeps pushing, I'm not going to get any trades. Unless we end up pushing to 11,100 and maybe start showing signs of weakness. Maybe depending if we go into maybe if that happens at 9:30, if that happens at 10 o'clock. Let me see to the left also. We also have this fair value gap now that I'm looking at it right here. So if we filled in that fair value gap, that could also be a reason for price to go lower. So this area has a lot of reason for me to believe that it will have a reaction. So either I'm going to use this area to get out of a trade or to get into a trade, in my opinion. So that's what I'm going to watch 11,100 for. But we're overall bullish. In my higher time frame analysis, I still got price coming up to around this 11,200 area. 11, what is this? 11 like 250. So we still got a little bit of way till there. So I'm just sticking to my analysis. We're just gonna see what happens. I'm bullish right now.
You know, in my opinion, bro, like the way how the market is structured right now,
Mm-hmm.
it's like it's in a recovery stage and it's still into a sell stage. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
It's like it's in that in between section now. Like it's just like
This is in
yo,
consolidation right now, so we're gonna see.
yeah,
But I think it has more room to the upside right now, considering where we are. And we already broke the previous high. Like we just been trending all week so far. If we do go bearish, I think we'll probably start to go bearish maybe around tomorrow.
uh,
Tomorrow, maybe Thursday.
well, to me though, like I think the bullish momentum that we see now is just a bull trap because as they said, the bear stands up before it attacks, bro. So
Yeah.
that's exactly what I think is happening. And then because I think the market has one more big push down to do, before it can start recovering. That in my just my opinion. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, we finna see. We finna see.
Yeah.
We're gonna see. Right now, shit's just pushing, but these are the two case scenarios that I'm thinking. We could have a deeper pullback, but right now, we just need price to start to at least close. For right now, I'm gonna draw this fib from the wicks just because there is no body up here for me to draw yet. I'm gonna just see where these fibs are. And yeah, morning G, stay positive, stay disciplined, stay productive. Have a good day, y'all. No cap, you too, bro. Always, always. You already know. Yeah, these are two case scenarios. I'm thinking something like this could potentially happen. We could go even deeper and then go up. But overall, 11,100 is the area that I think we might get a reaction. It might be a long-term reaction to the downside, or we just might be a good area that ends up having a small rejection, and then we can get out of our trade. But honestly, we'll see. Three cases, my three case scenarios, but all are. The fuck? There's a fly? I'll beat your ass, boy. But now, yeah, all three of these case scenarios is what I think for right now. But only time will tell. What's going on, Cal? I see you join. Yeah. I'll check US 32 while I wait. See if they got any similarities that I can compare. Damn, let me get all these markups off of this shit. Boom. Let's see. Where's 12 a.m.? 12. 12. Alright. It's a very similar situation, but US 30 looks way more bullish than us. Like, we had no pullback for US 30, which also makes me believe we might. Oh, but we also did just run the previous day's high over here on the US 30. Okay. We're getting a slightly different perspective over here. That's what I like to see, though. We gotta watch both, because I'm glad I looked at this now. Because if I wouldn't have looked, this could have ended up shifting my whole perspective on what I think could potentially happen. Because you got to keep in mind, both US 30 and NAS are correlated. So if one thing is showing one thing and the other is showing another, you know something is not right. You know, when they're doing opposites, usually we're going to get a move from this area. And over here, it makes sense because we're right around this previous day's high. We ran the Asian session high. We ran it once, but we also just ran it again. So we're at this false break scenario right now. So there's a lot of room to the downside. I like what you were saying, how you're more bearish. I see that better on US 30 than NAS, in my opinion. I don't know. They're both similar, but I think NAS is pushed. Maybe it's just a push a little bit higher. But US 30 looks way more bearish from where it is after clearing that previous day's high. I think it could run all the way down lower to clear this London low. The thing is, US 30 didn't have much of a pullback. That's why it makes me believe it has more room. NAS actually had that 38.20%, and now it could just trend. That's why I think it's just for that. But we'll see which one ends up playing out better. But US 30, I definitely see it more bearish. There's a lot more room to the downside because it had no retracement. So that's how I'm looking at it right now. Going into 930. What I might wait to see what happen is I might wait for price to potentially drop, and then I'll get in maybe on a lower time frame on a little retracement, maybe into a fair value gap that it leaves in this right up here. But I'm gonna watch that. I'm also gonna be watching NAS 100, but something like this. If you're watching this US 30, I would ideally wait for it to drop lower, clear that low, retrace back into a fair value gap to potentially keep going lower. That's a setup I would look for a reversal. Now on NAS, on the other hand, looks like it's doing a very similar thing. So you might be able to get in early if people were to look to short NAS instead. But they look like they're having very similar setups right now. Well, at least on the lower time frame, they would look very similar. But we shall see. Personally, though, that 11,100 I like. And then we have 33,000 over here on NAS, but we'll see what happens. We'll see if we get a break of structure or if we'll just keep trending higher.
The level 100 area that you talked about, I think it probably the reaction that you said, I probably think it would reject from there though, and then start the bearish
That's what I'm
momentum.
saying. Like I don't like where it currently is on NAS. That's why I was saying I'm more bullish because if we have a retracement right now, or if we start to drop now, it would make me believe that I could possibly get in for a buy to get up to 11,100 to then see price go short. But then US 30 looks way different because it's trading at the previous day's high. It just where are we at? We got 33,000 there, but we're at like 950 rejecting. But we'll see. I'm gonna wait for the break of structure, and then I'll see if I can get if it'll drop off. Yeah, if we just, like I said, wait for the break of structure. If this just keeps pushing from here, there's no trade yet. So we'll just be able to wait to 11,100 on NAS and maybe 33,000 on US 30. And if they both come into the same area at the same time, then we'll see.
Another pair I've been observing too was gold.
You like
Um,
it?
yeah, I've been tracking it. I got in from when it reached the peak at 1618 because I think the recovery started, but based off what's going on with the market, like it went up to like what 1680, but I'm waiting
1680.
for the retracement to like 1641, 1644 to get in on that bullish move again. I'm
Okay.
waiting on, but
Yeah, I haven't really looked at bro, where's this just like
oh,
fly keeps popping up on me, bro? But I haven't really looked at gold like that personally. I don't know. Every time I looked at gold before, I would just get clapped up, so I just never looked at it again. I'll just take mad losses on gold. Every time I traded gold, it was like a loss. I don't think I've ever like took a good W on gold. So, but the last time I traded, it was probably like 2 years ago, maybe longer.
but those been my main though, like GBP, USD, gold, and oil. Basically, those been my three main so far.
Three. Yeah, I just stick with NAS and US 30. But usually I'll trade like one on the day. I look at both, but I'll probably only take a trade on like one of them.
I used to be scared of NAS, but it was when I came across you. That's when I started understanding like how this thing really goes. Because I used to be taking, I used to just be getting clapped from it.
You be getting clapped?
Huh?
I said you used to be getting clapped from it.
Yeah, nice. Yeah,
Yeah, bro. It happens. It just comes down to just more experience. The longer you stick with it, the longer that you be able to learn from it and shit.
it's just August. I just started being profitable, bro. The
Yeah, just make sure you
transition was
journal
real.
everything. Yeah, just journal everything because it's only gonna come in handy in like a year, 2, 3 years from now, bro.
Oh yeah. Wait, what you mean? Like,
Like journal like all your trades, every journal all the daily case studies, stuff like that you can go back to in a year, so that you can be like, okay, what happened this day last year? How did it treat me? Did I do this? Did it work for me well? This you'll be able to go back and actually look at it because if you don't have that data, that's stuff that you're not going to be able to do. You know what I mean?
oh
You can
yeah,
go back
honestly,
and back test it, yeah, but it's going to be different from it actually happening live and you're actually live trading it and you're able to write down live notes. Like if you see the camera, I got a journal. So whenever I take like a trade, I'll like actually write stuff like as I'm taking it, like trade notes, like how many trades I'm taking, the risk in, all that. And then
yeah,
but that's not like my real journal. This is just kind of something I do in the moment because when you're trading, you don't really gotta, you're not doing much. You're just kind of staring at the trade, staring at the screen, letting it do its thing. So
yeah,
while it's like happening and what I'm thinking, I'll just write it down, how much I'm risking if I lose or win. But then I'll actually put the trade in its own journal. So I actually like do the trade. So what made me get in? Did I win the trade? The confirmations, the time frame, the screenshot of the trade, like more of the actual charting.
yeah,
This is like more like psychological, if that makes sense.
yeah. I
So
understand.
you kind of split the two things, do them differently.
Okay.
That's how you. That's the only way you're gonna really learn from a lot of the things. Cause time is something you're not gonna get back. So you gotta make use of the real life chart time you get.
Yeah,
That's gonna
definitely
be where
right.
you learn the most. Like you could backtest, yeah, but actually being there and experiencing it is something you're not gonna be able to do unless you're actively there.
I understand.
Y'all, what up?
What's up, bro? Chilling.
Yeah,
You be everywhere. I should have like a screenshot of like everywhere, every single place Kel's been, like his background on that laptop. I've seen the water.
Yeah,
I've seen
trade and travel.
hotel rooms, bedrooms, couches. I've seen you on the
The
game.
peninsulas.
Seen it all. Get a little catalog. This is gonna be you in the same position, just a different background every time. Different background.
Trade, travel, inspire.
It's gonna be like consistency. Make a reel out of it. Working on the go.
Why not?
Oh shit. But now, what you thinking right now? Have you looked at anything?
I literally have the same exact ideas that you posted on the chart, but me personally, I'm bullish.
Yeah, I was looking bullish too, but I was looking at US 30 and I was like, US 30 looks more like I could short it compared to Nas. Nas had a bigger pullback. US 30 never had a pullback.
The thing is, though, US 30, like the sentiment's high. Everybody's still shorting.
Everyone's shorting stuff.
Yeah, because everybody's expecting the markets to tank.
What I'm thinking, if I'm bullish, I'm thinking somewhere around 11,000 for Nas potentially. Maybe we might even clear this low. But I'm thinking if I
On
want to
the
go
higher
short
time frame,
11,100.
on a higher time frame on US 30, I personally have us going to like 34,000.
34. Shit. We go see. It's a weird spot. We're on these trending days.
I'm gonna send my chart in the group.
I'm just waiting to see if we get a break of structure.
I've had this marked up for a few days, so
Mm, that's a higher time frame. Okay. Makes sense. Makes sense. Makes sense. Okay, I got you. I got you. That's more
we'll
long
see.
term. We could still get both then.
Yeah, yeah. Honestly,
We could both get both situations. 'Cause even if we have like 100 point drop, that's still gonna be like in the not even in the big scheme of things. It'll be like a one tenth of the move. But yeah, I don't know. US 30 looks like better short opportunity because where we are, cleared the Asian session high, cleared the previous day's high, or kind of just trade at this 950 area, and then we could just drop into the range, and then you can still just take profits maybe below these lows, and then best case scenario comes and clears London lows. But even if this just ends up being a pullback, that's still a potential move you could catch, maybe even to fill in this hole, gap in between here to then price potentially go long. But then US 30, not US 30, NAS looks like this is way higher. It looks like it just wants to trend to 11,100. But I'm looking for the same thing on both. If I get a short term, like on a 1 minute or 5 minute break of structure, going into 9:30 around there, and we start to like show willingness to go shorter, I'm gonna try to get in on a fair value gap and see what's up.
Looks like you might want to push 13 too. Long term.
You said 13 too?
Yeah, unless we just keep trending down, because I mean we are in an area where we could fall off. As we pushed lower, it came back up, but we did break higher time frame. Vertical to the bullish side. What was that? October 25th.
October 25th. Up there goes some
Kind of
short.
in a weird area on NAS.
That's what I'm saying. It's like a weird area. That's why I was more bullish, and then I looked at US 30. US 30 gave me like the more short reasoning. But now I'm looking at both, and they're giving me the same short term, like lower time frame setup.
Yeah.
So that's kind of what I'm watching right now. Waiting for that break of structure. We kind of already filled in that gap though. We'll see. Maybe I'll leave one here. This is still a relatively short range, and I'm only gonna put my stop at this high. So I probably won't even be risking 30 points. Risk maybe 25, 30 for potential. That's only a 40-point drop though.
I'd like to see a displacement of at least like 50 to 60 points.
Best case scenario, I'm just trying to assume if it comes down to 11,000, it could keep pushing. That's what I'm trying to look at. So I'm trying to make a good risk reward setup around that.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Because like I said, if we push down from here, then yeah.
Like yeah, if it comes down here, I'll definitely be able to have the trade. But even then, I think US 30 is gonna give me a better risk reward setup. Risk about 40 points US 30 for potential, yeah, like 80 right here. So that's a 1 to 2 just to clear these lows. So that's the better setup compared to NAS. NAS I can't even get no clean. And then you got 11, not 11, 32,800. I be getting these numbers confused, bro. I just be looking at both these charts. They looked exactly the same half the time. It's just different numbers. It be really be fucking my head up.
Right.
But we got 32,800 for US 30 down here. So if it does come to 32,800, that's about 120 points. So risking 40 for about 120 compared to NAS risking about fucking 40 for 45. Yeah, I'm thinking US 30. It's a better trade for me today, considering it's elections too.
Dropping.
You said it's what?
Dollars dropping.
Dollars dropping. And considering it's elections, let's see. Hopefully, the world just goes to shit. So you know, hold US 30, and we just go to the fucking what's below hell.
Yeah, it's only midterm elections, but yeah, this is usually around the time when it gets pretty.
No.
Elections.
It's not even. It's gonna be more like the real election, but it's just fact. People gonna be just fear shit, moving money. They gonna take advantage of that shit. They gonna be like, all right, y'all want to move your money?
A lot of people are short on US 30.
A lot of people, you think? What's percentage?
Everybody's been anticipating this market crash.
Yeah, and it's just been keep going higher. It's like 2020. I kept thinking it was gonna drop. 8 months later, we was at all-time highs every day.
NASDAQ is 72% long. 2 minutes. A quick trip for the Asian low, maybe. No, we took that both.
Yeah, NAS is falling compared to US 30. Trying to see. I want to. US 30. Are we getting these breaks of structure? We just keep on making these double bottoms. Maybe if we run this high right here, that might be the move for US 30. Run back into 11, not 11. It's 950. I think that might be a good idea for a short on US 30 from around 32,950 after we clear that high, anticipating we drop because we got the break of structure on NAS, so it might be only a matter of time for US 30, unless it's opposite and US 30 NAS ends up pushing with US 30. But it's about to be the open now, so we might get this push, clear this high, and then I might just go short there. Thinking maybe like a 20, 25 point stop around there. I think that would be valid. Nice little short trade, and if I lose, I'm not really risking that much. Keep this shit small. 25.
Oh.
Let it come back in it a little bit more. All right, I went short on US 30.
I'm waiting for that break.
Risking 25 points.
5-minute break.
I got in at 32.944. All right, I got my parameters in there. Let's see what happens. Like I said, this would be a nice little short-term trade if it does play out.
Looking for 1107 to get hit, and I'm looking for a short on the fair value gap.
Let's see. We're just chilling at break even. I got my stop right around that short-term high.
Retrace.
This thing on like fucking. What is this?
No, it already hit.
Oh, there we go.
Structure right now. Let's see. I'm about to sell. So I'm in. Let's go.
Bro, I swear this shit is so broken sometimes. But oh yeah, I'm break even now. Ah.
I literally just got in.
I don't like how on FTMO we traded into this fair value gap already.
I don't like how on MetaTrader 5 on my computer, it's not showing me how much money I'm up.
Okay, we got
the jump from here.
It's pushing. Let's go.
Damn, bro. I hate this MetaTrader 5 on a computer, bro. I really do. Like, this shit makes no sense sometimes. Like, bro, I'm trying to see how much money I'm up, and I
You don't have the toolbox open?
Bro, the toolbox is like fucking retarded. It's like half open, half not. This toolbox is like not even like I see the money, but this shit is. I don't even know how to explain this shit.
Just go on your phone, bro.
I am, but I'm like trying to have it on the computer too. This is. That's just retracing.
Small loss stuff if it comes back.
Yeah, I don't know. I can't use MetaTrader on a computer. I never can. This shit is always doing some shit, bro. It's always something. Is there a button to get the toolbox like back?
You just drag it to the bottom of the screen or the top of the screen. It's supposed to like.
Nah, bro, that shit's going now.
It's coming back.
Nah, there's no toolbox. Where's it at? Oh, now it's here. I'm just confused on like why it's doing this. What is? Yeah, this shit is coming all the way back up. We're at 11,000 on NAS too, so. I promise you, MetaTrader, I really don't understand sometimes. Like, it's only on this too. It's only on the computer version. Always having something with this.
Bouncing from the 8 to. Usually that's if we reject here and go bullish, that's generally a sign of
Yeah, this is. I wish I would have took my profit, but it is what it is. I wasn't gonna be that fast.
still got my fair value.
You had the 2-1 already?
Hmm.
Man, put my 2-1. 2-1 inside 32, 8, 6, 6.
Like, bro, what is this, bro? I need to send this picture to y'all, bro. This man, like my toolbox is literally this big, bro.
Bro,
And
you
it's
just gotta open it, bro.
I opened it and it was my full screen, and it was in the small corner up top, bro. I'm just like, bro, this shit is making no sense. I full screened that motherfucker, and it was just a completely white screen and a white toolbox in the corner where I still couldn't see my
So
money.
just close it and open it again. Close it. Close the
I'm
toolbox.
bro.
Go back into
I've done it 8 times. I'm about to uninstall the whole app and do it again, type shit.
Bro, it's not that
That's how I'm feeling, cause bro, I don't know what to do at this point.
definitely not that serious, bro. It's
Bro.
dropping again. You want to take profit.
Yeah, it's coming down now, but it's like, bro, I'm not even mad at that. I still had faith in the trade. I'm mad that my toolbox never fucking works. Yeah, I'm not taking my profit here.
Coming close to the TP1. Come on, man.
Yeah, I just took off my percentage, 2.1%. We good. But nah, like fuck the trade, nigga. My toolbox is always on some gay shit, bro. Fuck that. The trade, I knew that shit was gonna play out. Like I just feel like I don't know. The last 2 weeks, ever since I reevaluated my plan, it's made life a little bit simpler. I ain't gonna lie.
Yeah, same here. I had to.
I just I had to redo it. You know, get to a clean edge. You know what I'm saying? Go to the beach a few times.
Yeah, the beach too, man. You clear my head.
Now, matter of fact, you coming down here soon, aren't you?
That's a fact, bro. You coming on Saturday?
Saturday?
I'll be there Friday.
Hey, bet. That's what I like to hear. We off to a good start. I don't even have to trade the rest of this week, bro. 2 trades in a row. Now I'm like 3-4 days in a row. I haven't lost. I ain't gonna lie. I gotta chill. But nah, we just not gonna let it go to our head. Yeah, I took my percentage. Yeah, I hit TP3 and I just now have a runner.
See, we're at an area where we just grab liquidity
and look on NAS and look at NAS. Look where we are. Yep. That's why. See, US30. I knew I should have traded you. Yeah. See.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, US30. You've been showing love, bro. You've been showing love the past like 2 weeks.
Setup, bro. I knew I was gonna go short. Kept pushing those highs.
Oh yeah, fuck MetaTrader 5. I delete the app. I'm not using that shit.
Sure.
We sticking to the phone. Everyone I talk to, bro, they was like, you gotta use MetaTrader 5. You gotta use a computer, man. You're not gonna trade if you don't use it on a computer. I tried on a computer. That shit don't even fucking work, bro. Every single time. Like I'd rather have a whole iPad or a whole other phone with the chart. Fuck this MetaTrader shit, bro. But it's cool. Yeah, I'm up about 54 points right now. It's not bad. I was only risking 25. So
I'm waiting for TP2 to get hit. TP1 actually. It's 2-1. I'm out. I'm taking half off.
I'm still waiting for a retrace into my fair value.
Oof. Yeah, that's a great trade right here. I'm gonna take off another percentage. Take off half of my runner again, and now it's at the smallest lot size. Took off another 62 points right there. All right, I've been watching ICT. After that video yesterday, he was talking to me, bro. I sat there. I was like, damn.
That was a good video,
bro. Watch. He has a little playlist on his channel. He has like 7-8 videos like that. I'm gonna start listening to him in the morning. I listened to it before I came on here. It's just good to hear that shit sometimes. I need someone else's perspective, and I'm like, damn. He knows what I'm going through. He be saying shit. I'm like, how you know that? How you know that? How you know I feel like that? Man, it's true. He was like, he's been through the same thing.
Like I did, bro. I've been through it, man.
And bro, when he was like, I do all this so you guys wouldn't have to go through it, and not one person has
and not one person that he taught or mentored has done it. I'm like, wow, that's crazy.
I'm like, damn, bro.
Mentored like thousands of people.
Hundreds of thousands, bro. Because if you count YouTube, hundreds of thousands, maybe even millions, bro. More than likely
At
millions.
least one person would have come up to him and said that. But that's pretty crazy.
Hey, it's wild.
Still looking for this retrace up. I don't get it. It's coming.
Come on.
Yeah, at this point, I feel like Kobe in his prime, but I'm gonna keep it. I'm gonna keep it player though.
Keep playing, man. Keep playing.
We gonna act like nothing happened. You know how it be.
Oh my god. It's right there, bro. Right there. Fucking hate when it's right there. You know? Take me out.
Damn, today was an easy day. Today was a fast day. What? How long I been live? 40. Damn, it's been 50 minutes. Damn. All right, maybe not. Not that long. I've been here for about almost an hour.
Oh no, it's global time.
I might come back and take my bitch ass out. Man.
I'm fucking sick, bro.
And wait, you spoke that
Like
shit into an existence.
Like figuratively.
Oh, I thought I was about to say you was just talking about how you ain't get COVID on your story before. I'm like, damn.
Oh no. I'm fucking sick as shit, bro. I like closed down my entry so that way I could put like a different lot in, etc.
Mm-hmm.
And as soon as that shit happened,
It happened fast.
Between me clicking buttons, bro, my dreams just shattered in front of my eyes. I was like, fuck.
Nah, bro, it did happen fast. Like when we were watching it, I was like, I'm gonna wait for it to come into here, and then it opened, then it was up. I was like, all right.
My shit was literally perfect. I didn't have to touch it at all. I was so mad.
I ain't gonna lie though, both of these played out nice. Even Nas came unclear that low, so regardless, that would have been my trade too.
Before US 30, I'm pretty sure.
Mm-hmm. It did. That's what made me. US 30 was having the retrace while Nas was still falling. I was like, bet, say that.
I seen US 30 and I was like, fuck, enter. And then it entered it and I was like, fuck, wrong shit.
You said
and
fuck.
I took it off and then I was like, fuck, it's gone.
Nah. I already know how you felt. I can only imagine. That's how I was with MetaTrader 5 over here. I'm like looking at it, bro. It went back in the drawdown. I'm like, bro, I don't even know what I'm up right now. I see nothing. And I'm over here like spazzing at MetaTrader. By the time I came to the conclusion and said, fuck MetaTrader, the trade was at TP2. I was like, I bet.
It took me out, man.
Oh, it retrace? Yeah, US 30 acting wild.
Back to break even, bro.
It's real volatile right now. Real volatile.
That's why I'm waiting for Nas to retrace.
I ain't lose nothing, so
shit. It's better. Wait, that's a win. No cap. If you ain't losing anything,
you didn't lose shit.
No cap. If you ain't lose nothing and got chart time, you good.
I don't even know if I want this no more. That shit pushing up like this is engulfing. God damn.
Yeah. Just keep in mind where we are in NAS too. It's coming in that area where I was looking for a continuation because we do have that low of the day from London session. So everything's still bullish, so it could keep going.
I do want it to get their value out the way.
But this was just all I needed right here. And like this move to the downside, that's all I needed.
Yeah, bro, it's the profits. That's what I did yesterday, bro. It's literally what I did yesterday. Like the exact same move was that happened today.
Yeah. Let me get US 30 off my screen. I'm already done with you, US 30. You stop me out at break even. I'm gonna just watch NAS now.
Look at it.
No cap. Got done with it. Put it to the side. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, dirty hole, man.
The context of people, because people that don't understand charts, if they were to just listen for the first time, they would not know what the fuck is going on. And especially how we be talking, because we talk with because we kind of understand. So it's like they just come here, dirty hoe, dirty hoe.
He's a dirty bitch.
Dirty hoe, man.
I'm like, what's wrong with these guys?
Dirty bitch.
Hey, the less you know.
That's 30 finna run those highs. I'm finna look for a bullish push on Nas on the 1 minute.
You might be. I want it to come maybe like 970.
I
If
want
it
it to
comes
come
right
a
in
little bit
here,
lower.
like right in
Yeah,
here at
nah,
least.
that area you highlighting, Andre, is the area I'm looking at
Oh yeah, right here. If this
for
pushes from here, I'm
buys.
definitely on some like Kobe timing.
From buys, I want the buys now.
No risk, no Rari.
No rap. No, I said no rap. No cap.
No risk, no Rari. That's facts.
Facts.
Waiting for this 1 minute high to get broken because we did clear liquidity.
Bro, I could have had an easy 50-something pips right there.
It's cool, bro. You win some, you lose some, and then you miss
It's
some.
bad. I closed it out, bro. Like, why did I do that? I should have just looked at it for a little bit.
Nah, hey, if you how much did you lose money or did you not
No.
make any?
Fuck
Hey,
no.
then it's
I
a
did
good
not.
day then.
Yeah, I did.
It's a good
I
day
would
then.
not want to close that bitch in negatives, bro. What?
It was a good day then, bro.
Well, your lot size is too big or too small?
I think it was too big. I was risking too much because it was what I would have risked on Nas, but I was on 30.
I feel you.
So it's wider.
Yeah, so I wanted to.
I ain't gonna lie, bro. I risked 25 points on US 30. Wild. I've never risked that less. I've never. Yeah.
US 30 came and cleared the highs again, so.
Oh, did it?
They're doing opposites. But NASA's coming down, so you might be able to, you mean?
Dropping.
You know what NASA's getting ready to do. You know what NASA's getting ready to do? Look, right here. I'm not getting in, but I'm fake getting in. You mean? This is a paper trade. What risk about what 30 points?
Shit.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Just high. I ain't taking this one, but I'm already done for the day. But this is still something that could play out. And if this happens too, yeah, I'm putting that in the YouTube video too. I'm like, look what I did. What are you talking about?
Nah, I think it'll come down a tad bit lower.
Yeah, I say it shouldn't run as low of the day, so it could still come and stop this fake trade out. But 30 points is usually what I risk on it.
Like the better trade.
I go long at the 79.
Nah, that's all you. Nah, I mean it would look good though. There's a fair value gap in there.
My rule is like once it gets to a certain level, then I watch price action in the lower time frame. Because to me it just makes sense. Because then I can risk less.
I think it's gonna continue going lower.
No, yes.
Either way.
Personally, I feel like it's exhausting all its sell side liquidity. That's what it looks like doing.
It looks like it's just grabbing some liquidity.
Everybody's long, so I mean it does make sense why they're pushing it. Stop off the wires.
And we need to get this bullish.
Same with US 30.
Hey, bro, I don't think they're gonna hold that shit up there too much longer. Like I know they want to drop this bitch the year by the end. Q1 finna come in sharp. You feel me? Like,
yeah, I'm trying to catch that recovery, bro. Market recovery.
Oh, speaking of, supposed to be going to see that new Black Panther movie.
That's a fact.
sir.
Wait,
Friday or Saturday?
When it drop?
Thursday.
I ain't gonna lie. This shit, it looks like it's about to fly. And this fake trade looks like something I should have taken. But it's cool.
No, I think
Nice,
it's
right?
back down,
Yeah.
bro.
Yeah, I can see the wick reflections. It look like it's about to take off.
I was about to say
We're rejecting from the 62.
Yeah, right at the 62. If it gets above 11,000, it's up. It's up there.
I think it's got one more retest in it to that stat fib level.
Time to write in the journal, boys.
What the fuck does your journal look like, bro? I need pictures.
This is like my personal journal. Like this is like something. This is more. It's not like a journal. So it comes in. I just like notes. But like my actual trade journal. I have a video on the trade journal. I have a video I think on my YouTube of the actual trade journal. Like how to like create it in like my actual one. But this is like more. This isn't like a journal. This is like notes. This is more like a diary. You feel me? Diary to myself. Dear Andre. Today was a good day.
Damn, bro. It doesn't look like I'm getting in this joint either.
That's cool, bro.
You got
Chart
the
time.
longs?
I forget. It was a video I watched this morning, bro. It was ICT. He said, don't get mad that you missed a trade. Because if you know it's going to happen again, you should be happy.
All right, fuck it.
That's how I was like, damn, bro, that's a good perspective. Don't get mad that you missed a trade. Be happy that you know that you found something that you can replicate.
There she goes.
I should have took that.
It look like it's going to
Fuck.
I was gonna take it, bro. I'm sick.
Definitely look like it's gonna go below.
Down lower. See, I'm
might-
double sick this morning. How the fuck I missed 2 opportunities?
It's cool, bro. You win some, you lose some, you miss some. Miss 2 of them.
Yeah, I missed 2 today.
And just remember, it happens to all of us.
Real shit, bro. You know what you've seen what's happened to me, bro. I've had missed them by points.
Yeah, bro. The point Jones be killing me, bro. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, like at least this is you ain't really missing by a point because you ain't have an exact entry.
I'd rather just not be in than miss it by a point, bro. That shit'll get me tight.
Oh yeah, it gets you real tight. That's the type of shit to make you overtrade.
Sorry, it puts you in demon mode real quick.
Ain't even got no fair value gaps. There's one on the 2-minute though.
This is basically free money, bro. Hey.
Shit. All we are trading is our time.
Not even, bro. I'm getting paid for this time one way or another, whether it's knowledge, whether it's something. Might not necessarily be money, but you know, we're getting paid in other ways. Experience. I'm getting. I mean, at least me. I try to make as much. I try to do as much within. I try to multitask as best as possible, doing one thing. So I try to like knock like out 5 birds, 1 stone. Fuck 2. I need to knock out 5, 7.
Honestly, if I ran before for this fair value.
Damn.
That is pushing, man. Fuck.
That shit.
I think it's like a fuck the markets kind of day.
And this one, bro. Oh my god. Nah, today I went insane on the charts. Hey, you have your days. Some days you don't. Hey.
No, yeah.
I'll just enjoy it before the dark days come again.
Nah, these are the dark days, nigga.
Nah, not the past 2 weeks for me personally. Like 2-3 weeks ago, yeah, those were dark, real dark, very dark nights.
Even last week was dark, bro.
Like it was so dark, I didn't even have this light on before. I wasn't even motivated to put the light on. I was just sitting in the dark, sitting in the dark.
Though.
Now I got the light on. I kind of got the curtains open. I got more energy.
Waiting for this high. All right, we ran this high. I'm putting in a trade.
It makes me feel like it doesn't want to fly. Like it's moving up so slow.
I got a fair value gap.
Yesterday it just consolidated.
Times don't
touch
lie.
11,
9:17.
We touch
9:17.
11:30, then we're going bulls.
9:37. That was one. Come to the next one. Boom. 9:47. Right? Boom.
Got in at 1100.
What time is it now?
I might take it to the last time.
Damn. Free money, bro. God damn it, man. God damn it.
Easy money, bro.
Shit.
Take it to the last
We gonna
time.
get the retrace. Just
That's wild, bro.
You might not get
And that entry, bro.
30 pushing.
It's going to my head.
Go into your head, bro.
And we still got a
I'm just
small
fucking
fair
with you.
value gap. We're gonna retrace it. That's why I'm going long at.
I'm just playing.
I
But
mean,
that's a
most-
great trade. I ain't gonna lie. That is, if this is a 1 candle trade,
Let's see,
amazing.
let's see. I'm ready to close out whenever this shit trying to turn back.
that shit is wild. Makai was in buys too. Is US 30 still pushing?
Yeah, US 30 pushing. That's why I believe Nas is gonna keep pushing.
Nah, Nas is up there, bro. Nas is up there. If Nas doesn't push this high, I'd be surprised.
I'm just trying to get to the highs.
US 30 was higher, I think, bro. Yeah, US 30.
Once it taps into this fair value gap, we should get a retrace.
Damn, bro, that shit. I don't know, because US 30 looks like it already broke its high.
It's already broke the high.
Oh yeah, no, it did. It did.
Nas is out of here, bro. Let's go.
Damn, fuck.
Let's go. Let's go.
Not yet.
Bro, this is
My grandma.
both of these moves were right next to each other. The down move and the up move.
Bro, it's literally the same exact thing that happened yesterday, bro.
Hey,
If you know.
I don't even know. I wasn't on here
Free
yesterday. I
trade,
wasn't
bro.
sure what happened
Oh, yeah.
yesterday.
Nah, nigga, what you're looking at, like literally, it rose
Gotta
up,
take the lowest hanging fruit.
tapped into the previous
Oh,
order,
it was a retracement, right? That
and
was
then
a
it
nice
fell.
trade. That was a nice trade yesterday
Yeah.
too. I ain't gonna lie.
And then it fell.
It
and
just
then
took longer. It just took long
Yeah,
yesterday.
it did just take longer, but it was literally the same exact move.
Like I got out on the initial move at like 9:30, 9:45, but then and then I already took out my runner, and then it just pushed later on in the day.
And then boom, yeah, it just
Like those are days where the runners would have ran. Like weeks like this where if you have runners on these continuation moves, like the London continuations, those are they gonna play. You gonna get like 500 points for the week.
I'm gonna move it to break even. Not even gonna play around.
fucking
Shit, if I don't know. Depending on where you got in, I would have looked to take some off just in case it doesn't run a high.
1100.
It's
1100.
gonna come back. It's
Buddy,
gonna
Okay.
retrace.
It depends
bro.
how much you risk on. Like if it was 20 points you risk, then yeah, I would have got out. But if you're risking like 30,
I
40.
put it right at the low of the weight, so it's not.
Yeah, just hold it to the high then. You good.
Fair value.
Just
Yeah,
hold it to
that
the
shit
high.
Get a retrace.
More upside than downside right now.
Just trying to get a 2-to-1. That's it.
Nah, that's all you need, bro. That's what I took earlier. 2-to-1. Well, a little bit more than 2-to-1. I
2-to-1
took.
is right at the highest.
This one is a little husky.
You said what?
2-to-1 to me that's a little husky of a stop loss. So you only have 50-point TP.
Nah, I don't risk 50 points.
No, earlier you only had 50-point TP.
Earlier, yeah, around there. I took my profit at 55.
Word.
So I took off 2.2%. So it was a little bit more than the 2-to-2. Because like I said, I've told you guys before, I don't really take it off at it. I take off the percentage, if that makes sense.
Yeah, the bullshit golfing is crazy. Fuck.
Keep going. Let's keep pushing in.
I'm gonna
Come on, Naz. Come on, Naz. Don't do me like that.
It's only about time for Nas. We just waiting. It had a husky ass candle. That's the only reason I'm just like, okay, give it some time. But I don't like the 5 minute though. 15 still looks good, but the lower just looks like it might have a retracement.
I don't want to pussy out and just close it right now, bro. But another breakthrough is gonna kill me.
bro, secure profits if that's what you're talking about. Because I've been in your shoes, bro, and every time I've thought I should have just secured.
I'll take half off.
Yeah. See, that's a valid
Can't
move.
go broke taking profits.
Yeah, it's a
that.
move, bro. Take a half, leave the other half.
All right, we'll let it run. I'm gonna walk away real quick.
See, now you see all that stress just got relieved.
Facts. All that stress is I'm Gucci. I'll be back here.
Like somebody just took the piccolo weights off your shoulders, bro. Like, drop them bitches. Be out here. Nah, this John's really taking forever to come back up into this fair value gap, though. I feel like it's gonna take all week too.
What fair value gap?
The one that's on a higher time frame that it's been reaching for. It's reason to keep buying.
Daily?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, we already tapped into that one.
I need it to close though. I'm tired of this up shit.
Martin 8 on the sell too. My nigga.
Should I just go for a buy right here? Nah, it's too high.
I'm not even sure. I'm gonna stop looking at this strong because I know the devil gonna start.
He said in the trenches with you. No cap. We in the trenches with him, Martin. No cap.
That nigga Martin be snapping.
Big trenches.
Big trenches.
Niggas ain't in the trenches on these charts like me. They ain't in the trenches for real.
I still think we're gonna get this retrace. I might have to double up on this one.
Oh yeah, you double an upper. You way better than me. What time's the election? When's that shit supposed to even come in?
Oh no, and I
Later?
don't give a fuck. I think it's not. It's all day, bro. People are just going in to vote.
Oh, okay. We might not get nothing then. Never mind.
Yeah.
You saw how the lottery got delayed?
No, I didn't. That's crazy.
The lottery got delayed.
All I know is I ain't win that shit.
9
Yeah.
billion though.
All I know is whoever won, they're already gonna get killed, bro. If they're even gonna give it to that real person, because what I really be thinking is, bro, how do we know who that money's going to? How do we know?
I mean, well, I would hope you don't, because that'd be dark. You feel me?
Nah, but it's like that's the thing though. All that money that they keep getting, it goes to what, one person?
No, they take half that shit, bro. What?
They take half, yeah. But in my opinion, bro, I feel like they end up taking more than half.
Nah,
And
it's like
I
60%.
think
the
that money
retrace I
ends
was
up
looking
going
for.
somewhere to where it stays with them, if that makes
If you
sense.
choose the lump sum, they
But I'm saying they already know that though. I'm saying like what is this? Oh, the candle is open. I'm like, what?
That's that coming back down to.
man, fuck you, US 30. Eat my dick up. I don't like this shit. This is crazy.
I'm going off of this 1 minute fair value gap. It's very small.
I could have had. You means? Fuck the coulda. We over it. I'm over it. I'm gonna go wake up my grandmother. Fuck this shit. I'll be right back.
I feel it.
Took a small position long.
You did? I don't know what the retrace.
Yeah. Yeah, in that first fair value gap, I'm just taking just because it's the quote low hanging fruit. I mean, at this point, I can't really lose.
At this point, what, you break even already? Almost.
No.
You're in a spot where it's like I think it's gonna keep going at least to that high. It might reverse from there, but I think it still has room.
Any room to the top side.
Oh yeah, come on, just run that high. I ain't even in the trade, but it just feels good knowing it's gonna go up. Nice little trade idea. It's just a continuation.
I def can't say the same thing. It doesn't feel good.
Nah, bro. Like I said earlier, just it's something that you'll be able to replicate. That's all, bro.
No, bro. I'm just mad because I literally knew about both of these joints, bro. You feel me? Like I was
Shit.
literally in the same boat.
You wanna know something that's gonna make you feel better? It's not the last time.
I know, bro.
Ah.
So eager on these challenges, bro. I'm trying to pass the first trial. Like I'm getting closer.
Once you realize it's not the last time,
Patience,
you just be like,
patience.
fuck it, man. Ain't even shit I could do. Just sit there, look at the wall for about 5 minutes, take a shower, go to the gym, and you be alright.
I'm waiting until Q1 to start my first challenge.
Yeah. Even then, bro, even if you were to do it now, you could still do it. It's just you would have to be disciplined enough to follow your rules 100%.
I feel like it'd be super easy if I waited until Q1. You feel me?
I wouldn't say super easy, but it might be
Like-
easier,
like,
potentially,
Crystal
maybe.
Lord would get me right, bro. I'm not gonna say like I'd win every trade, but I
Nah,
feel like
but even now, bro, like for right now, Q4, the past week has been given opportunities. I think regardless,
NFP week was wild.
I think I did pretty good NFP week. Did I? Yeah, I did. I was holding a runner on NFP.
Yeah, but that was the only trade we took.
Yeah, I didn't trade NFP because I was already good for the week. But I'm saying their opportunities are there. It's just it just comes down to if you're gonna follow the rules 100%. Because if you only take one trade a day, regardless of the opportunities it gives you, it's only gonna be a win or a loss of a certain percentage anyway. You know what I mean?
That's why I back in, bro.
But it might be better for your mental though.
Entry as you, nigga. When I joined the live and I seen where your shit was, nigga, I had the same entry, bro. I don't know why.
On what, the short?
Yeah.
I got in right when I said it, bro. I was like, right when the one runs this high going into 930, I'm gonna try to go short here with the stop loss above the high. It did it, boom, and it just went fast as fuck. I went on my phone. I'm like, damn, that
I
shit.
didn't have time to join the live. I was looking at the chart and I was like, this jump finna move. If I'm not quick, I was like, this jump finna go.
About to get tapped in on that 1 minute fair value gap.
But yeah, it's
Already
retracing
had a
11,000
displacement
too.
of 60 plus too, so volume's definitely to the bullish side.
I just want to see this high get ran already.
You got me feeling like a psycho.
Now, if we keep running lower, I don't know what to say. Oh, pussy.
Yeah, you got the same entry, 32,950.
I was talking to Chinaman yesterday, and he was telling me why he didn't get in trades like these, and I get it. I definitely get it because it's just so like that sell. That would have been like the only like I was probably like the most thorough move to me out of all the moves that's happened.
The sell?
Yeah, because
it depends. I think if this buy plays out long term, this would have been the better move. But I guess setup wise, it was nice.
Feel me? It closed its range in one candle. You were in and out. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, those are the good
That's
ones.
why I liked it more. And
the only that it's better for a scout. I'd be trying to look for more of like the daily move. Like I was hoping that would potentially run that low of the day. I was just wrong, but that's usually what I aim for. Hoping it'll just like end up being the reversal to keep the whole day running.
If it ran low of the day, I think it would have shot up. But nah, this is literally the same exact setup as yesterday, bro. That's so crazy.
Hey, we'll learn from it. That's all. Now you know.
Yeah,
if it happens again tomorrow, you better not miss that shit. Cause now it's definitely good. You really gonna be angry.
If I miss it tomorrow, bro, I'm gonna cry.
It's not gonna be good tears. It's gonna be pain tears. It's gonna be real pain tears.
100.
You gonna be listening to Meek Mill all day after that shit.
What you going to the gym? What time, Andre?
After this, so probably like by 11. I'll probably be there for like an hour and a half.
All right, you gonna get online when you get back, or you got plans?
Nah, I'll hop on. I'll probably stream it. Matter of fact, fuck, I gotta figure out how to hear y'all. Yeah, I'll probably hop on. If I don't stream it, I'll still probably hop on for a little while.
I bet.
But I'll probably just edit a video first, so probably maybe around like 12-1.
My man's got an Elgato. I'm about to grab that shit off him, bro. We finna be streaming again.
Nah, I bet. Say that. We lit. Taking over all industries. What is it? Disrupting everywhere. Disrupting all the industries.
So when we rent out the island, we all getting FBA capital chains. What's going on? Like,
fuck rent out the island. We'll have them before then. Okay. So like what? 10K a chain minimum. I say you good. That's what 40-50K. Light.
Bro, I'm not gonna lie, bro. I don't want none of that cheap shit. That's cheap shit to me.
What would you define cheap shit?
VVs, bro. No. Like, we need the VVs, bro. I feel like if you're spending 10 bands on diamonds, it's not enough. You feel me? Like,
no, it depends. It depends what you get though, like how big it is. If it's just a chain, but if it's a pendant, it depends.
No, because you can really tell the quality of some stones.
Yeah, there's like five. There's like 5,
this
7
necklace Drake had
different
on,
ones.
Bro, was a tennis chain, bro. It was a tennis chain, and that John had the square diamonds in the middle, bro.
Emerald.
And that shit was 500 bands, and nigga, it was literally like my fucking
lower low.
Like, what?
Yeah, you could have like this different quality one for sure, and you could tell the quality.
Yeah, you can tell, bro.
I need my shit to look like a chameleon.
Real shit in the dark.
Mm-hmm. Nah, I'm gonna get mine first, then I'll get y'all some. I got y'all
first.
I'm gonna get that big boy chain. Then I'm gonna just get the FBA ones.
I'm gonna have to grab a GTR for the tinting company, and then I'm gonna throw the fucking logo on the side. That's gonna be the company car.
They got a GTR in my building. It's a girl. She got it. She be.
Oh, it's a shoddy.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's this one chick out back in my area. She drives this GTR, and it's like Yeah, fuck out. It's
Mm-hmm.
got a crazy engine
Man,
too.
bro, I'm not gonna lie. Women in cars is like,
I think she has a
like
WRX too. Like they're parked next to each other. It's like an SUV one.
shit, bro.
I'm
I
like,
can't
damn.
wait to get my cars, bro. I cannot wait, nigga.
Nah, real shit, bro. Just wait.
Gonna have so many cars, bro.
Just wait, bro. It's only a
Bro,
matter
we
of
getting the
time.
tint shit popping now, bro. We getting the page get put up and everything. We making this website and
Just
shit.
wait till you come to Florida. Florida's you gonna be
Bro,
lit
Florida's
here.
gonna be a crazy
There's
market.
too many people here. There's too many people. Too many cars. Mind you, it's all cars. There's no
Bro,
transportation here.
the
No public
rat is gonna
transportation.
go insane in Florida, nigga. What?
Yeah, because mind you, keep in mind, bro, it's not like the East. There's no transportation down here. It's all
Mhm.
cars.
Yeah. word.
Everyone drive. I was talking to a girl. They was like, yeah, we've been driving since we was like 15, 16 because we had to. I'm like, damn. We was on SEPTA and shit. They don't even know them type vibes. Waiting in the
bro. The
cold.
reason I got this bitch, manifestation purely.
What?
Hold on. I'm trying to flip the camera.
Oh,
It's
the
my
car?
baby. Yeah.
Oh yeah. Got the yellow Bumblebee.
Drop top?
Nah, it's a sedan. Damn.
Thorough little wheel. Glad you got it
Bro,
tinted finally.
That's gonna be the drift car, bro. Like when I get my other whips, I'm gutting that shit, bro. And it's gonna get the roll cages, getting everything, bro.
Oh yeah. He gonna
turn
turn
it
into
to
a
a
Tokyo
time.
Drift.
Nah, no cap, nigga. I'm gonna import that shit down there too when we go to Tokyo. And I'm gonna start swinging down there.
Oh no, that's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to bring my cars on vacation.
Real shit.
I ain't doing no rentals. I'm gonna put that shit on my
Real
boat with me.
I'm trying to bring my Lambos to the Autobahn. Nah, fuck a Lambo. Lambos are shit. I'm gonna be building some fast ass cars though, bro.
I need
You're
my
not a trader if you don't have a Lamborghini.
Oh yeah.
Nah, fuck a Lambo, bro.
I don't know how you like them old cars, bro. I can't.
No, like if we're talking new cars, bro, it's still fuck a Lambo, bro. I'd get a Porsche over a Lambo.
Nah, you're
Porsche's
crazy.
nice, yeah.
Porsche's nice, yeah, but fuck that.
No,
I need
Porsche
Lambo.
nice and Porsche's faster. Come on, bro.
Maybe.
Faster?
Not if I twin
Faster.
turbo that bitch.
Mm-hmm.
Bro, I twin turbo the Porsche. What's up? We could get jiggy. Come
All right,
on,
that's
bro. We'll
cool.
lock it
That's
down.
cool.
You could get your Lambo. I get my Porsche. We could
And
lock it in.
when I
right-
fry you, I'm taking the car.
Bro, all right, man.
I need
You
that
be
car
doing it
too.
for slips.
I need the pink slip.
Bro, I don't even want your Lambo. That's the crazy part.
All right, that's cool.
Like, yo,
I win. I take yours. You win. You take nothing.
no, I was gonna buy me another one. Like what? Cause bro, you're not winning, bro. Especially if it's on some sort of course, you're not taking me.
You right. I'm gonna take you to the drag strip. I'm gonna fry you.
All right, you might have a chance there.
I'm gonna fry you.
Might.
All you gonna hear is
Nah, bro, you're sleeping on them Porsches, bro.
Nah,
That
Porsches are
GT3
nice. They're
RS,
nice.
That GT3 RS is different, bro.
I would get a Porsche before I get a Lambo,
That's a fact.
cause I have to.
Yeah.
I have to. It's not really like I got a choice. I think I could probably get a Urus if I really wanted to, but other Lambos, you're not really gonna. It's gonna be hard to get them as like
I
a
mean, bro,
like if you don't have other car experience. I might be cool maybe because I got a Mercedes. If I have it long enough, they might be like, okay, maybe.
I'm about to exit this trade and get in on my side.
Yeah, this is taking a while. But yeah, I think because you got to get like certain cars first. What I'm thinking is I might go from my Benz to either an AMG,
Oh, fuck it.
to an AMG, or get like a Porsche or something. But I was thinking like an Audi, like a RS7.
yeah,
Yeah,
but
RS7 is.
these haven't been as reliable.
RS7 is nice. Or I thought about like
Hey.
it's nice as fuck.
Go ahead. I was gonna say check out that RSQ8.
Oh, the SUV.
Yeah.
That's like a mini.
Bro,
Urus.
I be seeing them here. They mean.
It ain't even mini,
Mhm.
bro. It's arguably more luxury than the yours.
Yeah, I heard a lot of stuff about it is being better. That was a car my dad was looking at. But nah, yeah. So what I'm thinking is after the Benz, I might try to get an AMG. If I don't get an AMG, then I'm thinking either like a Porsche or Audi. Because then from there, I could probably move into the supercars. Because I think that would be good enough to get like a McLaren. But I'm thinking the McLaren I'm only gonna have for like a little bit. I'm not keeping that shit. I already know. Yeah, I already know. I'm gonna just get it to like kind of get it type thing. So it's like, okay, he had a McLaren. Not yet. That and it's the entry supercar you need. So you're like, okay, that he had a McLaren.
I know there's this one McLaren that I would buy, like, and keep. My boss
What?
got that shit.
What?
It's the 600 LT, the John with the
Oh yeah,
issue.
those are fast.
Yeah.
The
John
only
that
thing
shoots
is, like, they're race cars, but bro, they're like so cheap and cosmetically like fucked. Like engine, everything just be getting. Everyone that has a Porsche, not a Porsche, but anyone that I've ever seen talk about McLaren, talk about how fast it is
Talk about bad, yeah.
and how bad it is.
would drink it. You're gonna wait for it. If they,
But it's just like, I don't know. But I'm gonna have to do it for the culture. You know what I'm saying? Get it in orange. You mean? Maybe
Yeah.
lime green. Do it.
Bro, just for the cool.
Have it for like maybe 6 months and then trade that shit in.
and
Then I'll probably get the Lambo. You mean? Then I'll get the
trading
Lambo.
about to go crazy. That's all I'm saying.
And then I'm gonna get the Lambo, and then from there, that's when my super villain.
You're gonna keep the Lambo?
Depending on which one it is, probably not if it's an entry level one, bro. Because now once I get a Lambo, at that point now I got a supercar. Now I can start growing the collection. Now I'm gonna just start buying cars. Not buying them. I'm gonna have them all leased. I'm not paying for them all, but you know what I mean.
You're gonna lease them? You gonna
Finance?
lease
Yeah, finance them, not lease.
All right, finance.
Cause ain't no reason for me to put all that money down. Ain't no point. If I'm gonna end up paying it for it anyway, yeah. If I'm gonna end up paying for it anyway, I'm gonna just make it last.
It's gonna break before you even get to drive it, like.
Exactly. So I might as well. You mean not pay all of it? Cause like even for my car, I'm probably paying like what 10K a year for it, and then I'll probably just upgrade. I'm not paying the full price. And especially knowing me, I'm always indecisive. I'm always looking for new shit. I always need something new. Like
consolidating. So generally, we should be expecting some kind of breakout soon. Hopefully to the top side.
That would be
to the top side.
It looks like it's trying. Come on, eat them wicks. I ain't in this trade, but I'm rooting for it.
US 30 still sliding.
Yeah, US 30's flying. That's what I'm saying. Like, come on, man. Come on, Nas.
Come on, okay. Come on.
Trade Nas like that. I gave it a shot.
He said I gave it a shot, and this is how you treat me.
Gave it a shot. He's sick.
Nah, this is up. Oh my god, US 30. Damn.
It started pushing.
It's only a matter of time. Hold y'all longs, man. Hold y'all longs.
30 ain't even giving no retrace.
Real shit. Hold y'all longs, man.
Yeah, I would.
Yeah. It's cool. I ain't in longs either. I'm paper trading these longs.
I'm just playing.
Get out of here.
Vacation. Out of here. US 30 out of here. Let's go, guys. Come on, baby. Give me my 2-1. I already took half off.
Vacation.
Losing. But it's cool.
Damn, that's crazy. That Airbnb, Martin getting his money from it now. That's why just for December, 2 nights, 780. Damn. Yeah, I need to get into this Airbnb, man.
That's a fact,
man. Yeah, bro. I want to say last time we were out of town, we had some people stay.
Is crazy. Hold on.
Airbnb, like he got an apartment or a house?
He has like a cabin. That's what Martin has.
So he bought a cabin.
Yeah, he got a cabin, like in the forest shit.
Yeah, wouldn't you make it like unique, like a cabin type?
Yeah, it's like old fashioned. It's like old fashioned. Yeah. It's like an old fashioned cabin.
Like that, you could charge higher because it's a unique property.
It's like different. That's the type of thing where it's like you want to go on a vacation in the cabin.
Yeah.
And they rented it for Christmas.
Or if you have some shit by the lake, like cabin
yeah.
by the lake, that shit.
It's like I think it's by like a campground. That's like even having Airbnbs. Like, I was thinking, bro, I could just rent my crib out as a studio, strictly studio use, if I really wanted to.
You could. They have the apps for that, bro.
You can make that shit work. Oh yeah.
It just depends if you like niggas in the trip.
That shit flying.
Come on, Nas. We almost there. TP. I might just keep it running because I already took off half, so I might as well just let it run.
Yeah, take a. Once it gets to this high, I would take off.
Oh yeah, once it goes to that high, it's gone.
Yeah, once you get 11 to 100, that's the next area. Especially looking
at the 5 minute.
Yeah, I'm on the 5 minute. I always trade on the 5 minute though.
Nah, that wick is crazy. If you look at the daily, look at the wick. If you look at the daily wick, look, it came right and filled in that fair value gap. Tap that previous day's high and it just flew.
That's what, US 30 or NAS?
NAS. That was the low of the day that I was talking about. See how it just filled in that gap and then just flew. And look, I just have low of the day down here.
See, do we got news today?
Nope.
No news? Oh yeah, trending.
Ooh, almost Pete. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. I'm gonna take off probably another 30%. All right, nah, take off 30.
Damn, 2 trades. I called 2 trades. I feel good. Feel good. Makai caught a trade. Martin caught a trade. My boy Juan caught a trade. My boy Kel caught a trade.
Everybody eat.
Yeah, except for Jenner. It's like no. I'm just fucking with you, bro.
Oh, it's bad, bro.
I'm just fucking with you.
So I'm already good for the day. I lost on yours 30 though.
Yeah, it's cool, bro. 1-1, lost one. Now we leave one alone.
Come on, man. She's giving out a little bit.
It's gonna come and test this fair value gap and then probably push higher to clear the highs.
This shit's taking forever. I just want to see it run as high.
But maybe this shit taking a
What you got in at Kills?
I got in. Let me see. It was a 1 minute fair value gap. It was that second one. So there's a small one. I got around 11:20. Oh wait, it says 11:18.
11:08.
Right below 11:20.
That's damn near my entry. I got in at 11:07. That's damn near my entry. How you got that?
I wanted it to dig into that fair value gap before I
that's clean.
went in for a long.
Yeah, I think he got in when it started like dropping back to 11K.
Bro, that's clean, bro.
Yeah, and I got back in on the fair value.
Sheesh.
I wanted it to come down to this 1 minute fair value gap, but if it did come that low, it probably would.
Oh, we got 2-1.
Let's bearish.
There we go. Woo!
Let's go.
And target hit for this fake trade that I should have took. 1 to 3.
I'm closing.
I'm holding mine to 11,100.
I just closed. I'm good. I'm all right. I should be practicing holding, but it's all good.
We can go 11,200. We got a lot of space.
You see the 1 hour. We do have a lot of space. Damn. Should have held this bit. We do have a lot of space.
I just want to find a clean level.
Now that was a clean trade right there.
I think 11,100 is probably where I should get out.
Easy trade. Not too bad. Good day for me. The last 2 weeks, oh my God. It's hell for me.
Came up.
Up 1% today. That's my that.
Yeah, that's all I really need is like 1%.
Yeah, because I closed it early. That's why
I went in on a half lot, so my lot size wasn't as big.
Yeah, exactly.
No, you don't get any better than that. These trades, beautiful. Beautiful.
Yeah, GG, guys. I'm going to holler at y'all.
All right, bro. You be safe.
GG's. Yeah, I'm probably going to call it a day.
Yeah, I'm done for the day, boys.
All right. Well, shit. I'm about to be at the park, so I will catch y'all boys later.
All right, y'all boys be safe. Appreciate y'all. Good shit. Good shit, boys.
GG's. Big dubs in the chat.
No cap. But all right, bros, y'all be safe. No cap. Stay productive, and I'll see y'all soon.
Hey, Jenner, you'll be back at it tomorrow. You'll get it tomorrow.
Nah, you'll be back, bro. But I'm gonna call you when I hop on the game, bro.
All right, bet. Say no more.
But all right, y'all be safe.
Peace.
All right.
You too, Martin, if you're here. But if y'all took advantage of these trades, good shit. Another day in office. But now, with that being said, appreciate everyone for being here. Like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already. And if you like these trades, go take more. But with that being said, appreciate everyone.